Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use a free website that lets you do keyword research. Here you can go and type WittyRank. This is an Indian website. You can open it. You can use different tools free of cost. So here you can see keyword research, keyword density, competition checker, link analysis, meta tags and different other tools. So now I want to use this one. First tool, and here let me type one of the keyword. Now you can select the country. Let me select this one. After that, now let me type a keyword. And then click on submit button. Within couple of seconds you will get all the results, that how many people are searching these keywords. Okay, here you can see this one is the complete report. We got the table. You can export this table into your laptop. So we got .csv file, and here you can see this one is the volume, and this is the CPC, cost per click. So you can check all the keywords, and then you can easily create blog posts. Also you can use this keyword in your website for the SEO.